In today's video, I'll show you how to screen record on a Lenovo laptop. First, click on the search bar and type Game Mode. From the search results, click Game Mode Settings. Make sure Game Mode is turned on. If it's off, click the toggle to enable it. Once Game Mode is enabled, close the settings window. Now, press Windows plus G on your keyboard at the same time. This will open the Xbox game bar. If you don't see the capture panel, click the capture icon at the top of the screen. To start recording, click the Start Recording button. You can also use the shortcut Windows plus Alt plus R to start recording instantly. When you're finished recording, press Windows plus Alt plus R again to stop the recording. Your screen recording will be saved automatically on your laptop. And that's how you can screen record on a Lenovo laptop. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more Lenovo laptop tutorials. Thanks for watching.